How to get Vix Plus free trial. Vix Plus, a Spanish-language streaming platform, offers a free trial for new users to explore its vast library of movies, series, sports, and original content. Here's how to activate the free trial. Step 1. Visit the Vix website or app. Go to www.vix.com or download the Vix app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Look for the Try Vix Plus Free or Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Click Start Free Trial and fill out the registration form. Enter your email address. Create a secure password. Alternatively, sign up using a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Step 3. Choose your plan. Select the Vix Plus Premium plan for the trial. Confirm your choice to proceed to the payment step. Step 4. Add payment information. Enter a valid credit or debit card or use PayPal as your payment method. Vix will not charge you during the trial period, but charges will apply after 7 days unless canceled. Step 5. Start streaming on Vix Plus. Once your trial is activated, enjoy exclusive Vix Plus originals and movies, ad-free viewing, live sports, and other premium content. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends. If needed, log into your Vix account. Go to account settings greater than subscription. Select cancel subscription to avoid charges after the trial. By following these steps, you can enjoy Vix Plus free for 7 days and decide if it's the right streaming service for you.